The Aceh Government commemorates National Santri Day or Hari Santri Nasional 2021, Friday, October 22, 2021. Aceh Regional Secretary Dr. Taqwallah M.Kes became the inspector of the Hari Santri Nasional Commemoration Ceremony by the Aceh Government. The National Santri Day ceremony was attended by 1,000 santri, which was held at the Emberkasi Hajj Dormitory in Aceh. Taqwallah, in his mandate, said that the commemoration of National Santri Day in 2021 must be carried out in a simple manner with strict health protocols. The regional secretary said, "So far, the role of Santri in dealing with the pandemic is very good. The government's closeness with the Santri is the key so that the synergy can continue." The Aceh government thanking and appreciating the Santri in Aceh who always help the government in effort to prevent, control, and deal with the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. This is clear evidence that Daya also has the ability to deal with the COVID-19 pandemic in the midst of various limitations of its facilities. The National Santri Day 2021 has the theme Santri Siaga Jiwa Raga. The theme is a form of statement of the attitude of Indonesian students to always be ready to surrender their soul and bodies to defend the countries, maintain Indonesia unity, and realize the word peace.